Alright, ingredients for homemade meatloaf. Gonna need 1 pound of ground beef, some ground pork sausage. Gonna do some chopped white onion for you. A little bit of yellow bell pepper. Ketchup, of course. Little Worcestershire sauce. 1 egg, of course. Salt. Pepper. Little onion powder. Little garlic powder. Clove of garlic. And one more thing. And some fennel seed, just to get a little extra sausage flavor. Alright, and next we're going to do some chopped onion and chopped bell pepper. I don't have the best chopping technique, but you know, whatever gets the job done, right? Get that to the side. Not the prettiest, but it all tastes the same, right? Alright, that should be enough. Not making a huge meatloaf. Just throw some of this into a bowl. Or some of it everywhere else on the top. Okay. And next we'll do the exact same thing, but with the yellow bell pepper. You know, just get the middle. Probably not gonna have to use the whole thing. A little bit more professional chop there. You get enough, because basically what we're going to be doing is sauteing the onions and the peppers before we put it into the mixture. Alright, and we'll be back later for the next step. Alright, welcome back. In here you can see we have the 1 pound of ground beef, about a half pound of the ground sausage, and now we're just going to add all the stuff inside. Got 1 egg, lightly beaten. Put that in there, yeah. Ketchup, and no, I'm not. No certain amounts, just kind of going. And what I didn't show earlier is we're going to use a little bit of yellow mustard too. Drizzle that on in there. Got the Worcestershire. A little more. What else? We got garlic powder. Oh, it'd help if we actually took the top off first before doing this. There we are. Good amount of that. Onion powder, not as much. A little bit of salt. got some pepper. Fennel seed. Not much, we already got the sausage in there. Gonna do 1 clove of garlic in the garlic press. Ugh, let's get that out of there. Alright, and the veggies. Let's dump those right on top. And what I didn't show before is that I'm actually going to go with a little bit of horseradish. Let's see that. There we are. Not much, maybe just like a tablespoon. Down. Let's get a paper towel. There we are, mashed up and everything. And for the fun part, let's start mixing. You really got to get both your hands in here to get it really mixed together well. Whoop. Alright, let's just make sure that's all nice and mixed. Making a mess here, but what else is new? Alright, get a paper towel here. Awesome stuff. Alright, and next we're going to put this into a baking dish and kind of just form it to the shape of the dish. Now we're just going to form this to about the size of the baking dish. Alright, we're going to cover that with foil, put it in the fridge to let it all sit together for maybe an hour or so, and then I'll show you how to make the ketchup glaze we're going to brush on top during the cooking process and at the end. So stay tuned. Alright, got the oven preheated at 350. I already put the glaze on. The glaze is a simple ketchup and brown sugar mixture. Simple as that. We're going to put this in the oven, let it go for about an hour or so, and I'll show you the final product.